Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to unbox the all new PROCUS Rush 2.0. Okay, before unboxing the all new PROCUS Rush 2.0, so lastly I was using my old action cam SJ4000 Wi-Fi. It was pretty good and the clarity was also okay. It was having a 12 megapixel cam. So and the worst part is it was not having a audio jack. Was not having a proper mic jack, so I would like to get an upgrade. So I just choose PROCUS Rush 2.0. So here is the box. So let me go for unboxing. Before unboxing, if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, just go down and hit the subscribe button. So guys, I just purchased this PROCUS 2.0 in Amazon. Actually, you can just buy this PROCUS 2.0 in their official website also. I will provide the link in my description. So guys, you can just see the actually the box is very small, PROCUS 2.0, but I don't know why the Amazon has just sent me this huge box. But I just saw this new packing here, like new design. I don't know, there is some story box. This is the first time I'm just seeing this. Okay, let me keep it aside and let me start the unboxing. So guys, actually in this huge box they have just given this. Okay, there is another box inside. So, okay, fine. Let me take out this huge box first. There is a bill. That's it. Okay, before unwrapping this another small box, I would like to tell the PROCUS Rush 2.0's price. So its actual price is 6,439, including all the tags, bagara, and you will get for 7,600. Sometimes the price may vary, guys. Depends upon the sale. So I just purchased it for 7,600 rupees. Okay, fine. Let me unwrap this another small. Sorry, and let me unbox this another small box. So guys, here is the cam. Oh, okay, they have just given me the nice quality. So okay guys, before unboxing this main cam, let me just check this. Okay guys, before unboxing this PROCUS Rush, let me just quickly unwrap this accessory bag and see how is this. Oh, it's pretty good. So they have just given some instruction like Thanksgiving card. So PROCUS, dear buyer, please note this is PROCUS Rush accessory bag, included one remote, one battery, one external mic, and one curved helmet mount. Sincerely, Team PROCUS. Okay, fine. So let me just That's it guys, maybe we should just unwrap this unwanted things and we can just keep our accessories here. So let me do this afterwards and show you. So now coming to this PROCUS rush. So in this also they have just given some important note. I should register this PROCUS in online so that I will get the warranty. So let me just quickly show you what are all the accessories they are given. External mic, a very important one, and a charger. This is a remote to switch on the camera, and if you like to go for a video mode, you can just click a video mode. As photo means you can just click a photo. A small so here is the main cam guys, and coming to the accessories, they have just given so much of accessories with amounts. So let me quickly unbox this from the case and show you. So guys, you can just see there is so much of accessories, but I'm already having the SJ cam accessories also. So guys, there is so much of PROCUS accessories here on my table, but before going for the accessories, let me just quickly see the battery first. Why? Because I'm having SJ cam's battery, two SJ cam batteries. If this battery fix or it is similar to the SJ cam, means I can use this PROCUS Rush cam with an SJ cam battery also. So here is the SJ cam battery. Let me just focus it. So guys, this is the SJ cam battery, and this is PROCUS battery, but I think so it's bit similar. Yes guys, it's a bit similar, but only the mAh is slightly different. Rather than that, the Lion battery 3.7 V voltage, it's all same. So okay, let me just check this SJ cam battery with the PROCUS Rush cam and check. Let me check this afterwards. So let me just unbox this from this case. Guys, the waterproof casing is very nice. Why? Because you can just see this white color rubber casing. So in my old SJ cam, so this is my old SJ cam. So in this my old SJ cam, the casing was not too good. You can just compare this both. So guys, this is the PROCUS Rush 2.0 action cam. Slot for SD card and audio jack, HDMI out, and charger cable point. So let me unwrap this from the cam. So guys, this is the all new 16 megapixel cam for PROCUS Rush 2.0. You can just see the design of it. PROCUS 2.0. Let me show you guys a very proper look of this PROCUS Rush 2.0. So guys, before turn on this PROCUS 2.0, you guys have a proper look of this. Okay guys, let me just unwrap this screen cover. So there was a small protection covered on the screen. Oh, let me check the battery first. Okay, the battery cover is bit hard. Oh, okay, there is another battery inside the cam. So guys, you will be having another battery inside the cam. So and another extra battery they will be given in the accessories. So it is, yes, the both looks same batteries, and I don't know the battery is charged or not. Okay, I think so. Procus adventures awaits. There was a bit. Okay, the battery is full, and there is no SD card inside the cam. Defaultly, it is taking a 4K 30 FPS. So let's check me. So this is camera mode. Oh, this is a slow motion FPS. Okay guys, let's just me power on. I have just turned off my light just because to just you people can see the display properly. PROCUS adventure awaits. Okay, so defaultly it will go for video mode, and if I change the mode, this is for camera mode, and this is for slow motion 720p 120 fps shot. So this is for to read the SD card to check the preview of it. So here is the settings. Okay, so video resolution is 4K 30 fps shot. Just me go. Okay, you will get 2.7K 30 fps shot, 180p 60 fps shot, 180p 30 fps shot, 720p 120 fps shot, 720p 60 fps 30 fps. So okay, the starting is 320p 30 fps shot, and from there to you will get 4K 30 fps shot. So okay guys, this is the video resolution. So let's check me the another. So okay guys, just let just check me the another. Let me just me keep it in 4K 30 fps shot and go for recording sound. Okay, they have just given recording sound. Okay, just tick mark, and landscape of looping recording slow motion. I need some time to just check all this specification on specification, and photo resolution 60 megapixel, self timer and time lapse photo, burst photo, the zero white balance, Wi-Fi. Let's keep it in on. I think so I need an app to just connect it. I will just do this settings afterwards. A button to go, image rotation, driving mode, light source frequency, LED light indicator, shutdown, and time watermark, volume high, just go for another setting, language English, date time, format, reset to factory settings, press OK to exit. So guys, this is a very quick review about PROCUS Rush 2.0. In my further days I will just show you the how is the clarity and all. Why? Because the video is already pretty long. So thank you so much guys. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, do subscribe and hit the like button. Thank you.